I'll begin. Plastics are so harmful. Do you think that? Uh, I don't think so. Plastics are not that as much. Plastics are not as harmful as how we think. The plastics we think it is so harmful is because the environmental NGOs show us bad, only bad sides of plastics. I will give three reasons. First, ocean plastic debris. And second, ecosystems that plastic have saved. And third, which is final one, is what happens we replace plastic into paper. What do you come up first when I say plastic? Probably you will think plastic bottles, plastic straws, and plastic disposable products. This is because, just I said, environmental NGOs show us like a straw stuck in turtle's nose or a Great Pacific garbage patch. They say it will last over 500 years on the ocean. But the real plastic straws are only 0.03% of the whole ocean plastic debris by mass. The real things on the ocean are plastic debris from fishing industry, like nets, lines, and fishing gears. They take 86% of Great Pacific garbage patch. And in the fishing industry, we have no other option to replace plastic, like buoys and fishing lines, and nets. We cannot replace them into other material. There is other reason we cannot replace plastic too. The paper straw weigh about 1.75 grams per paper straw on average, and while plastic straws take only 0.34 grams, which is 5 times heavier. In glass bottle, this is 500 milliliters glass bottles, 181 grams per glass bottle, while plastic bottles take only 23.5 grams, which is 77.7 times heavier. And more the weight, the more the carbon emission, more the carbon dioxide emission. Because when we transfer things, it is all energy. We need to consume more energy and more fuel, more fossil fuels to transfer glass or papers. Also, plastics have saved much elephants. Do you know what was used before plastic was invented to make other things? The elephant ivory was used before plastics was invented. And plastic was invented, the materials replaced into ivory from ivory to plastics, and much more things got cheaper, and ivory too. The hunting gets slightly decreased after the plastic invented. And also, everything was made of wood before plastic was invented, because plastic was invented in 1990 something. I'm sorry. 1979, I believe. There was the deforestation was a huge problem, and yes, plastic was invented. Plastic replaced woods. Even there is problems with food packaging. We use plastic bags and plastic containers to food packaging. But when we use cardboards or papers to food package, it has more chance to damage, and it causes more food waste. And that's why I believe plastic straws are much better than paper straws, and even it feels better. The plastics, yes. Thank you.